leaves start falling down, and the shadows above the town, I can finally see you now.
Hey guys, it's beccaboo here. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be using the SUGARPILL and Little Twin Stars palette collection. It is so cute. I'll leave a little bit of info down in the description box below or the link to the website. Yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. To start off, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer and placing that on my lid and blending it into the skin. I'm not going to set that because I'm going to be using one of the liquid lipsticks as my eyeshadow base. Taking the pink, which is Lala, and placing this on my lid and blending that out with a dual fiber brush. I don't really know if these are eye safe, so always just be careful. I mean, if you have reactions to this, then you probably shouldn't do it, but you know, YOLO, I did it. So yeah, just blending that out. I'm going to switch my blending brush to make sure the edge gets nice and diffused, really soft, and yeah. So now I'm going to take ColourPop's Secrets eyeshadows and use this as my transition shade. And this has become one of my favorite shadows ever. Next I'm going to be taking SUGARPILL's Dollipop eyeshadow. And I'm going to be using this on the inner and outer thirds of my eye, as well as in my crease. So this actually is my second time attempting this look. It is based off of a sketch. I'll probably leave that on my Instagram when I post the look, but I just didn't like the way it turned out. So yeah, this is my second attempt and I changed up a few things. So now I'm going into the Little Twin Stars palette and I'm taking the shade Sky Candy. I'm wetting my brush and I'm placing this in the center of my eyelid, so it's like a slight halo eye. Now I'm taking Kiki liquid lipstick and I'm going to draw this really intense graphic liner. So I would suggest do the shape on your better eye first and then kind of try to mimic it on the other eye, because I did my bad eye first. And then I just like, I always struggle when I do my bad eye first because I'm like trying to match it and that makes me struggle even more. But yeah, I would do your good eye first and then do the bad eye to try and match it. Because yeah, these were totally uneven, but you know, whatever. So I'm just using really thin liner brushes for this. So then I'm taking a combo of Lala and Spank liquid lipsticks and I'm going to be using this for my eyebrows. So it was probably about like 2 to 3 parts Lala and 1 part Spank. I did this before and I used way too much Spank, so you just need like a little bit of it to make it get like just a little bit purple. Yeah, and I'm using a really thin brush. This one is from Sigma. I can leave it in the description box below if it's that important. But yeah, I'm just filling in my brows, you know, the drill. And I'm actually making these like a lot shorter and like a different shape than usual because I have that wing so like dramatic going up towards my temple that I had to kind of shorten my brow a little bit.
I see the fear inside your eyes. I see the pain in your smile. I can finally see.
So then I am just cleaning up the underside of the brow to make this nice and crisp and clean. And I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer and my MAC, oh my god, I forget the 195 brush, sorry about that. Then blending the concealer into the skin. Next I'm taking Kat Von D's Muse lip liner and I'm using this in my waterline and along my lower lash line. Then I'm going to take the blending brush I used in the very beginning and blending that out softly, and then I'm adding more of Dollipop to my lower lash line. Of course, smoking out the edge, make sure it's nice and diffused. Then I'm taking Star Ribbon and placing this on the inner corner of my eye to add a little bit more blue to it. Now I'm taking Cloud Maker from the palette and adding that right on top to get a bit of shine. Now I'm going to be taking this LUNAUTICS Chunky Moon Dust Glitter for your body. This is Disco Dreamz. So basically I'm just taking one of the stars and adding it right there. If you are using craft glitter, just be careful. Now I'm taking this LUNAUTICS Astra Moon Dust Glitter, and they're just stars. So I'm just adding 2 of the stars right around the bigger star. So if you are using craft glitter, just make sure it's farther away from your eye so you don't run the risk of it getting in your eye. Finishing off the look with some House of Lashes Iconics. And this is the full look. I popped on a wig and put on purple lipstick. I'll leave everything in the description box below. Alright, if you guys like this, please give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.